Phishing scam. Phishing scams use fake emails, messages, or websites that look real to trick people into sharing personal information. Scammers often pretend to be banks, online stores, or popular services. The main risk is that users unknowingly give away passwords, credit card numbers, or other sensitive data. Fake website scam. Scammers create websites that closely mimic legitimate sites, such as banks or shopping platforms. Visitors are encouraged to log in or enter personal information, which is then stolen. The design and domain name often look convincing, making it easy to fall for. Online shopping scam. These scams involve fake online stores offering products at unusually low prices. Once customers pay, the product may never arrive or the item delivered is completely different. These scams are common during sales events and holiday seasons. Lottery scam. Lottery scams inform victims that they have won a prize or lottery they never entered. To claim the winnings, they are asked for personal information or a small payment. In reality, there is no prize, and the scammers collect money or data from unsuspecting users. Job scam. Scammers post fake job offers to attract job seekers. Applicants may be asked to pay fees for training, registration, or supplies, or provide personal information. The promise of high-paying or easy jobs makes this scam effective. Tech support scam. In tech support scams, fraudsters pretend to be from well-known technology companies. They claim your device has a serious problem and ask you to install software or grant remote access. Once they have access, they can steal data, monitor activity, or damage devices. It spreads via unsafe websites, downloads, or infected emails. Subscription scam. In subscription scams, users are tricked into signing up for services that automatically charge money. Free trials often turn into paid subscriptions without clear notice. Many victims only realize they are being charged after multiple payments. QR code scam. Scammers place fake QR codes in public places or online, directing users to harmful websites or payment pages. Since QR codes are trusted by many people, this method effectively steals information or money. Impersonation scam. Impersonation scams involve someone pretending to be a friend, family member, or authority figure. They send urgent messages requesting money or sensitive information. The sense of urgency makes people act quickly without verifying identity. Giveaway scam. Fake giveaways promise prizes like phones, cash, or gift cards in exchange for personal information or sharing content. Victims provide data or follow links, but no rewards are ever given. Banking scam. Banking scams involve calls, messages, or emails claiming to be from your bank. They warn of account issues or suspicious activity and request verification of details. The goal is to gain access to accounts and steal money. Investment scam. Investment scams promise unusually high returns with little or no risk. They often involve fake stock platforms, cryptocurrencies, or trading schemes. Victims are pressured to invest quickly, and once the money is sent, the scammers disappear. Romance scam. Scammers create fake profiles on social media or dating apps to build relationships with victims. After gaining trust, they fabricate emergencies or personal crises and ask for money. Emotional manipulation makes this scam particularly effective. Email spoofing scam. Email spoofing involves sending emails that appear to come from trusted sources. The sender's name or address may look authentic, but the email contains links or attachments designed to steal information. These are used to trick recipients into providing sensitive data. Malware scam. Malware scams trick users into downloading harmful software through links, pop-ups, or attachments. Once installed, malware can steal information, monitor activity, or damage devices. It spreads via unsafe websites, downloads, or infected emails.